Hello everyone, welcome to Highlander Coffee Simply How To video time. Today I want to share with you how to clean the niche grinder. We would recommend you to clean it at least once a week. If you're hardworking enough, then you can clean it every day. Okay, first open up the lid. Next, turn the grind adjustment down anti-clockwise. There you go. For my machine, I have placed a little marking reference on the underside of this grind adjustment down plate. Okay. Next, using the socket wrench provided, okay, remove the nut of the NFC ring. There you go. And the NFC disc. There you go. Right, there's no orientation. You can put it this way or this way. Next, take off the upper burr holder, which hold the upper burr here. You can see all these coffee grounds there. Okay, using the brush provided, sweep all the grounds off. It's easy. Okay, and now remove the key. There's a protruded piece here. And the lower burr. Okay, give it a quick brush. And now the lower burr holder or the sweeper. Brush it all clean. Okay. And leave the cup in here. Give a good sweep on the interior, around the thread areas. You can even use a camera duster or blower, just blow it through. Okay, all good. See, it's all cleaned up. Okay. Now, put back the burr holder. Make sure it's the smooth surface facing upwards. Okay. The other side you have a groove. It doesn't work this way. So this way, face upwards. Slot it in nicely. Okay. The lower burr. Okay, ensure that lower burr forms a keyhole here with the center shaft. Next, put in the key, followed by the upper burr holder with the outer burr. Okay, make sure you have a spring feel, otherwise it means that you have placed it not correctly. Okay, so make sure it's springy. Followed by the disc and the nut. With the socket wrench, tighten it. And your grind adjustment dial. Turn it all the way till you reach the calibrate arrow with your grind adjustment dot here, and go back to your grind setting, which I've been using earlier, which is about grind size 18, and you're done. Thank you. Thank you for watching our Simply How To video. If you like our video, you can follow us on Instagram, like our Facebook page, or subscribe to our YouTube videos. Thank you very much.